Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload HD video or high quality videos in your TikTok, right? So first of all we will go into the TikTok mobile application here, and on the below right side corner there you can see a profile icon. Just click on that, and after that you will click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, okay? And after that click on security and setting and privacy, and after that you have to scroll a little bit. Okay, now here you have to click here that free up the space. Okay, now just clear it and just go back, and below that there is another feature, that is data saver, and you have to turn it off, right? So this is already turned off, so I will make sure that this is turned off, because as you can see here, reduce your data consumption while using cellular data, right? So this may reduce the quality of your videos, and make sure that whatever the content you are recording, whatever the videos you are going to upload over the TikTok, make sure to upload to record in a very good quality camera, right? So this will help you to record or upload a very good quality video over the TikTok. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.